that's it.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, D, can you see it?
Yep, it's
Yeah,
on
that's it. Yeah, perfect. Right, off we go. Start flexing those muscles.
Oh.
Stiff, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, out on the track it's not so bad. If you want to go across there, you can do. It's a little bit easier. Just wait and see what this Lambo's doing. It's quite a tight corner, that one, isn't it?
Alright.
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Just whiz across now. Yeah, that'll be fine. Try and save your arms a little bit, eh? That's it. Cool.
A good workout.
So obviously we're in a, it's left-hand drive, so just kind of be a bit careful. You've got a lot of car to your right than you're used to. That's the kiddie, yeah?
It's full end. Oh.
That's it, yeah, so the pedal rocks a bit.
Okay.
So yeah, sort of push the bottom of the pedal more than the top, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's got like a little rocker on it. I thought you were going to say the throttle cable had broken then. So yeah, just keep your side if you can.
Yeah.
So whereabouts you live? Do you live far?
I'll let know.
Okay, that's not so bad at all. Quite nice there, isn't it, all the shop?
Have you heard the story today?
Go on.
A gold shop got robbed.
Okay.
Overnight, yeah.
No, I didn't hear that. Well, last night?
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you trying to say it's not very nice? No, I thought it was. I thought all the shop was quite a nice place. I think that sort of stuff happens anywhere.
Yeah.
You know. Let's watch it around this right hand corner. It's a little bit. In fact, just pull to the left. We're going to let a car whiz past. Okay. Keep going. You're on. You don't have to slow down too much. Here we go. Off we go. Yeah, it's all clear. Yeah. Thought we'd do it there because it's nice and wide. That's it, watch this. Yeah, you got it. Tom's had that one. Okay. Don't leave the braking too late. That's it. Instead it can tend to lock the back up quite easily. In fact, just hold on here a second. That's it. Just wait here and just let this car whiz past on the inside if you can. That's it. There's plenty of room. That's it, Brill. Sorry about that. It was a little last minute decision from my end. Apologise. Keep it going. Those supercars like to get a bit of speed up here. I didn't really want to deny them that.
I think it's fine.
What do you drive yourself?
I'll show you over here. You can see it's really nice. I made it like took me ages to make that car.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Watch these cones here. That's it, Brill. Good. And what is it?
It's Honda Accord.
Okay, yeah.
This is like I just made like.
I mean, I like it already. I love Japanese cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carbon and there's that blue one.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's nice. It's kind of quite supple. So what engine's in there?
It's 2.4.